Namaste. In the sleepy town of Ambedkar Nagar, 200 kilometers away from Lucknow, to an army officer, engineer, a female child was born. Her name was Arunima Sinha. She was very fond of cycling right from the beginning. Her hobbies were, mountaineering, then of course volleyball. Because of her, sports background, she got placed in CRPF. On that ill-fated day, she has to travel all the way from Lucknow to Delhi in the Padmavati Express. She was traveling in an unreserved compartment. At VAOs, around 3 o'clock in the morning, some thugs entered into her compartment and they tried to snatch away her chain. In the midst of all this confusion and fury, she has been thrown away into the nearby railway, railway line. From then onwards, till morning 7 o'clock, around 11 trains passed through that railway track. One crossed over her leg. Finally, she has been taken into the All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi. Their doctors declared that we have no other go but to amputate her leg. At this time of crisis, she has two choices. Number one, either she has to amputate her leg and finally lead a life of an amputee throughout her life. Second choice is she had a dream right from the day number one, and that dream is to conquer Mount Everest. She decided to pursue the second dream, that is to conquer the Mount Everest. She got the support of Tata Foundation. She got the support of Bajendra Singh Pal, the first lady who conquered Mount Everest, and she got inspired by Yuvraj Singh, the cancer survivor. And finally, she conquered Mount Everest. What I am trying to tell you is that in our life also we have two circles. One is called circle of concern and the other one is called circle of influence. What do you mean by circle of concern and what do you mean by circle of influence? Circle of concern means something which you cannot concern. You have no control on that. Something like the economy, the current economy, or something like the current health situation, the political situation. Somebody made a mistake in your life, that you cannot control it. The climate, you cannot control it. But at the same time, or maybe the kind of corona that is latching around our place also, that you cannot control it. But again, we have another circle that is called circle of influence. Circle of influence is something which you can manage, which you yourself can control. That is something like your attitude, something like your thoughts, something like your deeds, something like your words, your enthusiasm, your hobby. Everything is under your control. What I am suggesting is that at this time of crisis or the catastrophe that is lashing around us, we have to spend more time on the circle of influence rather than spending the time on circle of concern. If you spend more and more time on circle of concern, nothing, you will not get any result at all, and that will end up something called analysis of paralysis. But if you spend more time on your area where you can control yourself, like your attitude, for example, take the case of corona. What you can do right now? No. But if you feel internally that you can do something, or internally you can feel that, yes, I can come out. See the case of other major catastrophes that happened to the humanity in the 90s. To be very precise, in 1940 to 1918, a major flu called the Spanish flu that lashes around the globe, and close to 5.6 crore people died. During the Second World War, around 3 to 4 people died. But at this time, what happened? Only 2 lakh people died so far. So internally you have to feel that, yes, nothing will happen, nothing will go wrong. And if at all something will happen, that will. What you can do? That is the Murphy's law says. And again you can think, this is the time of lockdown. At this time of lockdown, what you can do? Yes, like our MRF Staff Recreation Club has taken this initiative, something like the virtual club, you can do a lot of things like that. You can spend more time for spirituality. You can spend more time for your family, spend more time on your quality of life at home, quality time. You can do something for the society. You can do something for your friends. You can do something for your body called fitness. You can think more and more about your financial freedom. You can do a financial planning. Maybe you can read a lot of books at this time. Rather than concentrating on circle of concern, if you spend more and more time on circle of influence, your life you can enjoy it. What I have done is that at the moment the lockdown has been announced, immediately I formed 3 WhatsApp groups titled Inner Wealth Unlimited. I started a training program day number 1, and I give training to close to 600 people. That is the same case that MR Staff Recreation Club also has started. I take this opportunity to congratulate the president, of course the patron, and the secretary, Mr. Shino Joseph, Bijumon, and Roni, and all other people for taking such a valiant initiative. I am sure that with your support, with your guidance, and you can make our life really interesting and enjoyable. Let us see tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.